Hey, what's going on? So I'm back in this shower again. I've got a new product that I'm going to try. This time it's not a cleaning product, it's a tool. So I'm trying out this drill brush, and this one, the brand is Dr. Brush Holikme, Holikme. I got this off Amazon. It was like $9 for the kit. There's 3 different brushes and an extension wand in there. And you just hook this up to the drill and go. So if you've seen my other videos with this shower, it's been kind of like ever since I installed the shower, the grout lines and the glass are really hard to keep clean. I've managed to keep the glass pretty clean, and to do that, I've been using the squeegee on everything recently. But the grout lines, I just can't seem to get the rust stains out of them. So I've been using the CLR, but it still just doesn't seem to do it, at least not with a sponge. So I'm gonna try this, and hopefully there's 3 different brushes in here. We'll see what they can do. All right, so here we go. Let's try this thing out. So there's a little brush, which I guess is probably good for, I don't know, it doesn't really get in those corners well. Maybe I guess like that. That'll be cool. Then there's this brush that's got like a rounded tip to it. That probably gets in just about everywhere. Yeah, that looks like it gets in everywhere. And then there's a big wide flat brush, which is for this. Now this kit in particular said that it was made for tile and bathrooms, stuff like that. So that's why I bought this one. There are different ones that are different hardness bristles. So you don't want to get one that's too rough and it's going to scratch this. And that's the one thing that I'm going to be really careful about, is I don't want to scratch the tile. So we're going to see, hopefully it doesn't screw anything up. We'll find out though. And of course this little extender, which I don't know if we're going to use or not. I might as well pull it out. Let's see how they attach. Do you just push it in? Usually you have to like pull that back and put it in. So it feels like it goes in, and you can't pull it out until you pull the little lever back, and then it comes out. But you don't need to pull the lever back to push it in. So I guess I'm going to try this one first since I installed it. You're going to want to wear safety glasses when you do this, because the drill is going to splatter up stuff. You don't want to get this in your eye. So hopefully you can see just how red this is. But let's give this a try. I'm just going to squirt some CLR on there. And I'll put the drill on the lowest setting. Okay, so now that I've got it kind of covering the surface, I think I gotta let it sit for a minute. All right, now that it's had a minute or two, I'm gonna just work it with the brush. All right, let's give it a rinse and see how it looks. Well, my first impression is it definitely looks a lot better. These grout lines don't look nearly as red as they did before. Now here's down lower where I haven't cleaned yet. That's what I meant when it was like that orangey red color. So, looks pretty good. I'll probably go over it again. See, this is the side I didn't do. See how red it is over there? So, it did work. I want to try the other attachments. All right, I'm gonna try to use this curved one to see if I can get in those corners because I couldn't really get it with that big one. Oh yeah. Definitely looks much better. I think some of that rust is so deep in the grout and I don't know if it's actually going to be able to come out, but it looks way better. At least I have a tool that helps this go a little easier. All right, now I'm quickly going to use the little brush just to see how this one works. Alrighty, let's give that a rinse. Cool, it looks even better. So I only cleaned to about here, so you can see the difference of what it looked like. These stains in the grout versus what it looks like now. So I like this tool. Unfortunately, this moldy mildew stuff is in the silicone, which is going to be a future video, me taking out all the silicone in this shower and redoing it. But for now, I'm mostly worried about this grout. So I think that came out really good. All right, so that is it for today. I'm going to continue cleaning this shower and get it all looking real good. And that's it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you have one of these drill brushes or you're thinking about buying one, I highly recommend it. 2 thumbs up here. Definitely takes some of the work out of this. Just make sure you have backup batteries charged because this thing's probably about to die and I gotta go get my other batteries so I can finish the shower. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of stuff. I'll see you in the next video.